Hi, this is Mabel's Tables, and I am doing a collab, Decorate My Lantern. And the host of this is Anna of the Grace Life DIY, and she has another host, Indy Annie Jones. Yes, she does. Indiana Jones. Decorate my lantern. Okay, so you know about Anna. She do all her DIYs, and I love when she goes on that porch and decorate. It is so beautiful. And of course, if you don't know about Indy Annie Jones, you are missing out. She is a wow decorator, and she does a lot of collabs and different things on her channel, but you just got to go and see her. She has on costumes to match everything she's doing. Oh my word, you just got to go and see Indy Annie Jones. So, without further ado, I'm going to take you to my decorated lanterns and tell you about my lanterns. My lanterns, I saw these at a store called Roses here in our town under lanterns, and I thought these lanterns was just beautiful because they reminded me of the 10 virgins in the Bible when they were swinging their lanterns going to meet the bridegroom. Can you just see them carrying this with the handle on it, going to meet the bridegroom? And they say they ran out of oil, had 5 foolish and 5 wise. But this is what these lanterns reminded me of. And this is the summer edition. So you know what? I decided to do the blue for Memorial Day and to keep it going throughout the summer. Okay, these are my lanterns. I tied a blue silk ribbon around each lantern, and I put in a deep blue flower in each lantern. This is the flower that I put down in each lantern. Yes, because I do love these lanterns. They are a symbolic to me. To me, I just feel like that the virgins carried this type of swinging lantern. I love that handle on it. And I have my DIY placemats here to match the blue. And here I have a DIY vase that I made about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's still holding strong. And inside of it, I put my flowers in here from Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. And of course, you know I had to include one of my ultimate things that I love to make, one of my fake cakes. This is a box fake cake, trash to treasure. I love doing trash to treasure. And here is another one of my DIYs as well. It's a vase decorated with the marbles from the Dollar Tree sitting on a Dollar Tree plate and on a Dollar Tree cup. And on this side, I have a water pitcher that I obtained from, I want to say, it wasn't Hobby Lobby, because I've had them so long, because I actually use these when I have company. I wash them out and put lemonade, tea, or whatever we have for the moment in them. But I'm not quite sure. But I got these, and I also got them at a store in Florida. I think that's why I'm not sure from where I got them. But they came in pink and blue. And I have a set of pink ones as well. And I put my blue flowers in here as well. I would like to thank Anna for having this Decorate My Lantern collab. And I also would like to thank Annie Jones. Thank you all so much. And please go on over on that playlist and check it out. And baby, I just believe that all the other ladies are going to have some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lanterns all decorated out for you to see. This is Mabel's Table saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And that this is God's world. No matter how you say it or how you do it, this world belongs to God. Mabel's Table saying, adieu. God bless you.